Alright everybody, I got a 2017 Audi RS5 here. This one here is a little bit of a challenge for me. First time doing this thing. Although I do have a little bit of idea how to do it, but never done it before. Customer brought his own gasket to change for this oil filter housing in here. Anyhow, to do that, you have to remove every little thing in here. First thing that I did, I removed the bumper, obviously drain the coolant, drain the AC and stuff like that. And to get into the front tube over here that's connect to the two turbos here in the front. But you won't be able to get the turbo out because catalytic converter here is blocking the oil cooler line that goes underneath here. And for you to remove this, it's like a puzzle. For you to remove this, you have to remove the pipe underneath as first. Move the pipe underneath, and then you can remove this out. Now you can get the turbo. The way I did it, I removed both turbo together because I didn't want to disturb so much line. And I suggested to change the gasket. These four O-rings in here. There's an oil cooler that sits over here. So also I suggested to replace this is the thermostat, I believe, for the oil filter, underneath the oil filter. So yeah, it's a really big job. It's not impossible, but it is a big job. So this is the 2017 Audi RS5. Maybe there's another way of doing this, but this is the first time I'm doing this, and I didn't want to break anything. So also make sure that you plug these holes in here when you're doing this. You don't want to drop any bolts accidentally inside. Good luck.